Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram video tutorial series. In this video tutorial we are going to develop Instagram app. My name is Azhar Saleem and from this video tutorial we'll start the development of our Instagram clone app. So let's start. Here I pulled down my repository from GitHub and this project I will upload here in my GitHub React projects repository. So inside the second this app folder, let's see, here we have Instagram app folder, change directory, and here we have to install first of all the React.js npx create React app, and the name is Instagram. Now it's start the installation is starting, and also we have to install the material UI. We already discussed in our last project about material UI and material UI icons. Also we have to install the Firebase, and we have to create a project here about for our clone app, and this project we have to config or connect with our React app. If I go to project settings, just excuse me, actually it's better I will delete this project from Firebase and will create from scratch, as we are going to create our project Instagram from scratch. It's taking some time for installation. Our React.js, here I installed inside Instagram folder, means the project which we created. So we have to wait for a few seconds or maybe minute. So in this video tutorial we will make the installation or setup, and also we will make the header this section. Okay, it's taking some time. The dependencies installation is started, and I think it's better in next project I install this React.js. Okay, perfect. Now it's installed, and next thing we have to install material UI, and also we have to install material UI icons. Again, one more package, npm install Firebase. Also, you have to install Firebase tools. I'm not going to install because I installed already in globally in my system. That's why I'm going to install this dependency Firebase. If I go inside our packages, we have our React DOM, and there's Material UI. Oops, my bad. Actually, I didn't change the directory. I install outside. Means here, and again I have to change the directory Instagram, and inside the Instagram I have to install Material UI. Now here will be appear in front of us in under dependencies. I'm going to delete this node modules and also this package.log. Now here we have a Material UI or dependencies. Next is icons, Material UI icons, and in last we installed here Firebase. Okay, perfect. And install Firebase. We have here Material UI, Material icons, and here's a Firebase. Here's a Firebase. I'm going to start the application, npm start. Here we have the start command. Okay, here I got a message because the port 3000 is already used. Here I opened, so our new application I will open in 3001. So let's see why. Yes, now it's open in 3001. The default one is 3000, the port number. Now we install and make the setup for our Instagram app. So from next project we will start to design our header.